In today's episode, I'm going to teach you the process to enable JavaScript on Chrome. There are many benefits to enabling JavaScript on Chrome because JavaScript is the default programming language that runs on the web. To enable JavaScript, you'll need to head over to Chrome, open up your Chrome application, and tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen. From here, head over to Settings. Next, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see an option for Site Settings under the Advanced tab. Now this is the site settings of your Google Chrome, from where you can manage all the settings related to the websites. Here you'll need to find an option for JavaScript. As you can see, mine JavaScript is currently toggled on. If yours is toggled off, you can simply toggle this on. But if you want to add exceptions, which means that you want to block JavaScript for any particular website, you can also do that. Tap on Add Site Exception. Here you can type in the URL of the website that you want to block the JavaScript. Type in the URL and then you can tap on Add. This way, that particular website will no longer run JavaScript. So that's the process to enable JavaScript on Chrome.